Located on almost half an acre, this beautiful ranch is in one of Lexington's finest older neighborhoods, the ever-popular Shadeland. Let's head inside and see the stunning renovation. Walls were removed to make a fantastic light-filled open floor plan featuring hardwood floors, a fireplace, and built-ins. The fabulous kitchen was expanded and relocated with a custom island, Carrara marble backsplash, and Shaw's original enameled sink. I love the flexibility of the dining areas, with a mix of refined spaces for special occasions and comfortable spots for casual meals. The renovated lower level is complete with a wet bar, an ice maker, a fridge, a rec area, a family room, a bedroom, and full bath. The peaceful master retreat offers a stunning spa-like master bath with a tiled steam shower and Carrara marble counters. The expansive backyard features a deck and plenty of room to play and explore. What a great place to relax on the weekends! If the home of your dreams has a flowing floor plan with tasteful updates, indoor-outdoor areas, and a great location, then look no further. Call today to schedule a private tour.